Capital Network's Ed Stacey joins me in the studio today. Ed, good morning.
Good morning.
You've done a big report this week on Itaconix PLC. First off, tell me a little bit about the company.
So Itaconix designs and manufactures polymers using a proprietary technology platform based on itaconic acid, which is derived from corn. And the important thing to note is this is really what they call a chemistry platform. It's a series of processes that can develop a whole big range of products. So you have, for example, water-soluble polymers, like things that go in hair products, and additives that go in dishwasher detergents. You have paints and coatings type applications, lots of other applications. We've compared it in the report to the acrylic polymers market. Acrylic polymers developed many decades ago and they're now ubiquitous, loads of different applications, a $20 billion market. We took a look at what type of applications could you use the itaconic acid based polymers for. We've come out at $7.5 billion is the addressable market there, so a huge market that Itaconix addresses.
And in particular, they've got three focus areas?
Yeah, so the three focus areas are areas where they currently have products that are commercial. So one of those is the automatic dishwasher additives. In fact, those additives can be used for other things as well as dishwasher, but it's primarily dishwashers, and they're partnering with Neurion, who are one of the world leaders. And these partnerships are very important. Second area is hair care products, so it's things like mousses and hair gels. Again, there the partner is Neurion. And then the third area is odor control, so that can be used for things like carpet cleaning, fabric cleaning, industrial uses. And they're partnering there with Croda, who are one of the big world players in that odor control market. And the important thing in all three of those, what they've done is develop a product, then commercialize it on a small scale, demonstrate that it has applications, and then finally you partner with one of the world's big leaders. That gives you massive market reach and the ability to expand the applications.
And so 2019, this is the year that we're going to start to see that strategy here bear fruit for them.
Exactly, yes. So some of those partnerships have been in place for more than a year. It does take time to actually turn into revenues because things like household products, people won't just design in a new component instantly. But what we're seeing in 2019 now is we're at the point where these purchase orders are starting to come through and it's validating that model.
And how are they valued?
We've taken a look in our report at how does the market value advanced materials, advanced specialty chemical companies who have a proprietary technology with a huge addressable end market. And all of the peers we're looking at are sort of up there around the $50 million sort of market cap. Itaconix, relative to the size of its addressable market, it looks a conspicuously low sort of valuation compared to those peers.
And so what needs to happen in order for that gap to close?
I think it's partly what you alluded to about 2019, the year when they validate that partnering model, people see the revenues and the market gets more comfortable with the direction. I think the other thing is just the UK market just really still actually getting to know Itaconix. You know, it used to be a US privately held company. It's only a couple of years since it came into the UK market. I think it's still not terribly well known. But so those things happen in 2019. I think you start to see the valuation gap narrowing.
Many thanks, Ed. For Ed's full report, click on the I in the top right-hand corner of your screen.